If you just install Windows on your brand new gaming PC, here are the first things I'd recommend doing. First, download your motherboard software suite. For Gigabyte or Aorus boards, that's going to be Gigabyte Control Center. For an Asus motherboard, it's going to be Armoury Crate. Or in the case of this MSI motherboard, we're going to install MSI Center. Because all these software suites have a built-in driver installer, which with a single click allows you to install all your motherboard and chipset drivers all at once, which is incredibly convenient and way easier than installing them one by one. And when new driver updates come out, you can update them here too. Next, I'd recommend taking care of your GPU drivers. If you happen to have an NVIDIA card, download the NVIDIA app. But in the case of this system, because we have an AMD GPU, we're going to download and install AMD Adrenalin, which will install the latest and greatest compatible GPU driver, ensuring we have a smooth gaming experience. Then I'd recommend opening up settings on your computer, go over the Windows Update, and check if you have any pending updates that possibly can be installed. And if they are available, go ahead and install them while you're setting everything up. Now that all your drivers and software are up to date, here are a couple more things I'd recommend doing. Activate Windows if you haven't already, go over to Apps, then Startup, and then look for any startup applications that may be on that you're not gonna need to just launch as soon as you turn on the system. So something like Microsoft Edge, you probably don't need that to go ahead and start up right away, so you can disable it. If you're not using OneDrive, go ahead and disable it. This will make your system load just a little faster. And then to ensure that all the hardware inside your system's running all right, load, install, and run Ada64 System Stability Test, which will put your CPU and memory and storage devices all under load, allowing you not only to check for faulty hardware, but also to go ahead and make sure that your temperatures are in check. And although you can use Ada64 to stress test your GPU, I personally would recommend using FurMark 2 just because I think it's a more complete stress test and you can monitor all the stats of your GPU in real time. So crashing or extreme temperatures occur, you should be good to go ahead and install all your games without worrying about any kind of instability.